We're a digital consultancy and manufacturer and developers of the giant iTab, giant smartphone, predominantly used all over the world within the events exhibition sector, as well as fixed installations into people like banks, retail stores, corporate offices, customer experience centres, etc. So we set up Giant iTab in 2009. At the time I was working for a large touchscreen manufacturer as the global head of sales and marketing, and it was about 2 years after the launch of the iPhone, and we were recognising and identifying the real positive impact that the smartphone was having on people. And I was at a trade show in Amsterdam called ISE, Integrated Systems Europe, watching half of the people looking at the tech and the other half were all on their phone. So we kind of had this eureka moment where we thought if we could combine the ascensioning rise of the smartphone with the ability to create large format touchscreens and combine the two, we would come up with a winning formula and a winning product that would allow people to access smartphone data and information, but in a large format where they could use it as a group experience or, for instance, at an event to showcase all their digital content. The problem we solve for our clients is effectively we give them a presentation tool that attracts customers' attention. We give them something which enables them to present all their digital assets, all their digital sales and marketing information from one device in a very familiar, friendly and fun kind of way. We can take any digital content and put it on our device. If you have a website, a brochure, a PDF, even an app, we can put that on our device and make it run perfectly for you and give you that same user experience on the large format as you would on here. You know, from the very get-go, we were very keen to design a solution that was simple to use and simple to set up. You know, we're an event company who provide AV services, and we're at events every single day all over the world. We're just expanding our partner program now, just signing up Scandinavia, South Africa and Cyprus and Greece at the moment. So, you know, tap into the website, giantitab.com and read all about us.